In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I transfer internally here on Bybit exchange. So for those that have been trying to transfer here in the Bybit exchange, and let's say you want to transfer from your Bybit into another Bybit exchange, I've been finding it very difficult to do that. This video will explain more about that. Now, one of the advantages of transferring here from Bybit to Bybit, what I mean by from Bybit to Bybit is transferring from one Bybit exchange into another Bybit exchange is that there are no charges involved in it. Unlike when you're transferring from Bybit into another blockchain, okay, that is called on-chain transfer. When you're transferring from your Bybit into a different wallet entirely, or from your Bybit to another different exchange like the Binance exchange, then there are gas fees that are always added to it. But in case you are transferring from your Bybit to another different Bybit, it is always done free of charge. So that is what I'm going to be showing you in this video. Then in the next video I'll be showing you how I stake and earn passive income here on Bybit. This is one of my ways in which I empower the community to give out free information that has to do with earning freely. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, if you are new in this channel, ensure that you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so that whenever I'm dropping the next video, you will always be notified on time. So the first thing you have to do is to come to where you have this. First of all, you have to ensure that this is toggled onto the Pro, okay? You see this? Ensure that it is on the Pro section. As soon as you log into the app, like I said, once again, ensure that this is not in the light section. When you toggle this to the light section, it's going to take you to a different section here on the app. But you should always be toggled to the Pro section, okay? Now, while it's toggled on the Pro section, you go ahead and click on assets, all right? You click on that asset. Then you let it load. And ensure that while you're doing this, your network is very stable. I hope that is clear enough. Now it has loaded up this. What you have to do is to ensure that every money that is on this unified trading account is converted to the funding account. Okay. Now I made a video once on what this unified trading account and the funding account is all about. For those of you that don't have idea about what's the difference between the unified funding account here and the funding account, go and watch that video to understand how it works. Okay, but for this video, if you want to transfer your tokens to a different Bybit, after converting all your money from the unified funding account down to this funding account, you now go and click on this funding account. You now go ahead and click on this funding account. Okay, so you tap on the funding account. Now after typing on this funding account, now it's going to load up this. Okay, these are all the tokens that it will load up. It will load up all your tokens right here. Okay, these are all the tokens it will load up. But in case you don't see any of your tokens or your coins right here where your money is, you go ahead and tap on this search bar. Okay, you type on this search bar, and then you can type the name of the coin that you want to transfer internally. You go ahead and type the name of the coin here. Okay, but normally the coins will always reflect right here. Okay, it will always reflect right here. So for the sake of this video, let's act as if we want to transfer hamster to another Bybit app. You click on that hamster right there. You click on it, and then after clicking on it, you let it load. You have to give it some time so that it will load up, okay? Now it has loaded up this. You now go ahead and click on this withdraw button that you see right here, okay? You click on this withdraw. After clicking on that withdraw, it's going to take you to this page. Okay, this page you see here is for those that want to do the on-chain transaction. They are the ones that are going to be needing this page where you can see all this information aligned out for you. But since we want to do internal transfer, you see this section right here. We are going to be clicking on this section. Okay, so you click on that section, you change the settings automatically, and it's going to show up this. Okay, you are going to be it will take you to this section where you see the name of the coin, you see the UID, you see the mobile, you see the UID, and then you see the amount. Okay, now there are three ways that you can transfer internally here on Bybit. You can either transfer through the email or the mobile phone number or the UID. You can. What I'm saying is this: you can transfer through the email or the mobile phone number or the ID. Now go ahead and watch the video below at the video description on how to copy the ID for those of you that don't know how to, or the beginners that don't know how to copy ID on BitGet, or sorry, on the Bybit. Go ahead and watch that video on how to copy UID on Bybit. I'll be dropping all the links that will be helpful to you right at the video description. Now, one of the ways you can transfer is through emails, like I said. So you click on that email, you highlight it to the email section. Now it has been highlighted to the email section. After highlighting it to the email section, you now go and meet your friend or anybody that you want to send coin, a money or tokens to. Go and get the person's email address. And as soon as you get that person's email address, go ahead and paste it here, okay? And after pasting that email address here, you come down here and type the amount that you want to be sending, okay? You type the amount that you want to be sending right there, okay? In case, let's say you want to send 30 hamster, go ahead and type 30 hamster right here, okay? Now, as soon as you type that 30 hamster right here, go ahead and click on withdrawal. All right, as soon as you click on this withdrawal, you approve the transaction and it's going to be sent automatically to your recipient Bybit app or Bybit exchange. Okay, the money is going to leave your exchange and it's going to be sent automatically. It's going to appear automatically into your opponent's exchange. Now you have to ensure that the person that you want to send your tokens to, that same person, as the email that he's sending to you is the same email that he has used to open his Bybit exchange. He doesn't have to send you a different email, else your coin is going to get lost. All right, else your coin is going to get lost. I hope that is clear enough. Now the second way you can do that, you can transfer, is by mobile. So what you have to do, you can transfer either through mobile number. So you have to come over here and highlight this to the mobile section. Okay, as soon as you highlight this to the mobile section, go ahead and select your country code. Go ahead and select, you come here and select the number. As soon as you select the number, you come here and type the amount that I want to be sending. And this maximum means if you want to send all of the tokens, they click on maximum, then all of the tokens that you have right here is gonna be reflecting right here, okay, in the panel. So afterwards, you go ahead and still do the same thing. Go ahead and click on withdraw. As soon as you click on withdraw, the money is going to be sent automatically to your friend or to anybody that you want to send internally to. All right, and now the same thing applies when you are sending to the email. The number that person is sending you has to be the same number that he had used in the past to open the Bybit account. I hope that is clear enough. Good. That's how you do that process. Now the next step, which is the final step, is to transfer through the UID. And if you want to transfer to the UID, you click on this UID section. It's going to load up the UID. Go ahead and tell the person to send you his or her UID. Then when he sends you that UID, you come over here and paste it here. As soon as you paste it right here, you can now go ahead and paste the amount that I want to be sending, and then go ahead and click on withdrawal. I hope this is clear enough. And then as soon as you click on withdrawal, you approve the transaction. It's going to be sent automatically to the person's exchange. So the money is going to be sent to the person's Bybit exchange. Like I said, ensure that you are working with an email or a phone number or a UID that is also Bybit, just like the one you will be working with. What I'm saying is this: for clearer view, you have to ensure that anybody you are sending any token to has to be
in case you are working with the internal transfer on Bybit, internal means that you are sending from Bybit to Bybit, okay? It shouldn't be from Bybit to Binance or from Bybit to Bitget or another exchange. Internal transfer means you are sending from Bybit to Bybit, all right? So that is what I want you to know. So one more thing for you to know, for the sake of those that are new in this channel, in case you want to copy your UID, you have to tap right here, okay? You have to type right there. As soon as you tap right there, it's gonna take you to your user center where you can go and copy the UID. Other helpful videos will be pasted right at the video description. Go ahead and watch them. So to take you to this section right here, so you can see this little button here. This UID here is UID. For those of you that don't know how to copy UID, okay, that is the UID. In case somebody asks you to send him your own UID, go here and copy this, okay? If you want to see it in a clearer view, then tap this section, okay? As soon as you tap this section, it's going to load up the page in full where you can see the UID. Here is the UID. Come over here and click on this tab. Now, as soon as you click on that tab, it is going to copy automatically. So that is how you do this task. I just showed you how to send internally right here on the app, which is Bybit, and I have just showed you how to copy your Bybit UID along the line. So if this video was helpful, do your best to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so that whenever I'm dropping the next video, you're always going to be updated. And if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video.